If you're familiar with my videos, then you're probably also familiar with this £30 Amazon office chair, which is the very chair that I've sat in to record every single one of those videos and, of course, edit them. And not only that, but I've also sat in this chair every single time that I've worked from home for pretty much the past 5 years, which has been quite a lot, particularly over the past 2 years. So as you can imagine, it's getting a little bit long in the tooth, and it's not doing my back any good. So a replacement is definitely in order, and a replacement I most certainly have. So let's go and fetch it. That's right, a Herman Miller Sayl, spelt S-A-Y-L, which is the exact same chair that Elliot from the Retro Future has.
I just found, for £10, a Herman Miller Sayl, however you say it.
And although this one wasn't £10 from a charity shop and it's not a nice funky colour like his, hopefully it should do my back a world of good. And yeah, really pleased to have it here as part of my studio setup. So thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed that, and I will catch you down in the comments. Don't forget to leave a like and all that other stuff. Bye!